Hi, Thắng. Can I ask you some question about the dedicated video conferencing system?
Tôi cho phép.
How many locations of participants can join the dedicated video conferencing system?
Uh, there are more than two locations of participants.
How many participants are there in each location?
Uh, is support more than one participant in each location?
It is expensive.
Yes, of course, it is more expensive than a video phone.
What kind of room do we need?
You will need a special room.
What equipment do we need?
You need HD monitors, video cameras, remote controls, and MCU. Now it's my turn. Can I ask you some question about video phone?
Of course,
How many locations the video phone support?
only two,
Okay. How many participants are there in each location?
only one.
Okay. Uh, what about the price between video phone and a dedicated video conferencing system?
No, expensive.
Okay. Do you need any type of specific room?
The room is okay.
Okay. So, and the last question is, what equipment is needed?
Only the phone.
Okay. Thank you for the information.
So we come. Goodbye.
Bye.